Okay, so I'm gonna plant yellow passion fruit, which is pretty interesting. They say it's a bit sweeter, but I like the color yellow. It's gonna look nice on a vine. So I have my soil mix here. So this is a combination of, let's see, it's a combination of, I think it's perlite, the light one, then vermiculite, then cocoa husk, a bit of sand, a cocoa peat, yeah, this blocks, it's quite nice, and then just native soil, which is clay based. So I'm gonna see how that works out. So yeah, this is the seeds. Very weird looking seed. Usually they just eat it. It's in the jelly of the fruit, so you don't see the seed really. So yeah, 30 seeds in here should be enough. Hopefully they will germinate. So I'm just gonna spread them out. It takes about, what do they say? Yeah, spring and summer. Yeah, I'm at the end of my summer, so hopefully they will sprout. Spacing, germination 2 to 16 weeks, so something in between, depends on the temperature. Then 12 to 18 months. I believe that because I've grown the normal purple one and it's grows quite quickly. So yeah, let's see. So I'm just gonna throw some sand over. I put them on the surface and then throw a little bit of sand on there. Spread it out. I usually do this and it works quite well. Yeah, it should be fine. Water it. Alright, let me use my sprayer. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put them inside another box, this one, for some heat. Let's see, put them there. Put them right there with my pineapple, some geraniums, yeah, there's some other seeds growing in here as well. There's like palm seeds, there's queen palm seeds there I'm waiting for. Yeah, good. So this is the normal purple passion fruit vine all the way over here. So I forgot to take a picture of the germinated yellow one in the pots. I already planted it, so there is one here. So this one is gonna grow up and replace the purple one eventually. Looking good.